Hello, let us solve this question, and this is really very easy. A takes 3 hours more than B to walk a distance of 30 km. But if A doubles his speed, he is ahead of B by 1.5 hours. Find the speed of A and B. So here let us say speed of A is small a and speed of B is small b. Now we know the formula of speed, distance and time. If you do not know that formula, I will help you to recall your memory. So let us say this is D, this is S, this is T. So if I want, this triangle will help me to get all the formulas. So if I want distance, then distance is equal to speed times time. If I want formula of time, then time is equals to distance over speed. If I want formula for speed, that will be distance over time. So this triangle can help you to recall all the formulas. So now we know A takes 3 hours more than B. It means if you subtract time taken by A minus time taken by B is equals to 3 hours, isn't it? Now time taken by A will be what? So what is the formula for time? That is distance over speed. What is the distance? 30. And what is the speed? So for A we took A, so here A. For B we took B, so that is small b, and distance is same, isn't it? Is equals to 3. Now let us say 1 upon A is equals to x and 1 upon B is equals to y. So now my formula will be something like this: 30x minus 30y is equals to 3. And this is important result that will help me further in my calculation. Let us think about the situation 2. If A doubles his speed, he is ahead of A by 1.5 hours. So in second statement, if A will double the speed, he will be faster than B, isn't it? It means B will take more time. So that means if you subtract time taken by B, B is taking more time. So I will write B first. I cannot write A minus B. That will be wrong order and that will give us negative 1.5. But we don't want negative 1.5. We want positive. So here B minus A. Why? Because B is taking longer. A has double the speed. So A will be faster. B is taking longer. So B minus A is equals to 1.5. Now what is the time taken by B? So for that we will use the formula, this one, distance over speed. Distance is same, 30, and speed is small b, isn't it? For B speed is small b, and for A speed is small a. So here B, so that will be 30 over B minus this will be 30 over 2A, and that is equals to 1.5. Now we will suppose the same thing, 1 upon A is x and 1 upon B is y. So that will make 30y, why? Because 1 upon B is y. So 30y minus 15x, why 15x? Because 1 upon A is x is equals to 1.5. Now I will just rewrite the equation. So that will be negative 15x positive 30y is equals to 1.5, and this is my result number 2. Now based on these two, I can get my final answer very easily. And now I will erase the stuff that I do not need because I do not have enough space. So I will erase the stuff that I do not need now. So now I will do my further calculation. So here my equation 1, that is 30x minus 30y is equals to 3. Equation 2, minus 15x positive 30y is equals to 1.5. And here you can see this can be cancelled easily. Generally we change the sign, minus, so we'll write plus, so we'll minus, but we do that to cancel out something, but here no need to do that because we can easily cancel out these two things. So 30 minus 15 is 15, so that is 15x is equals to 4.5, and now this will be x is equals to 4.5 over 15. Now we can simplify both by 15. 15 times 1, 15. 15 times 3, but we cannot say 3, we will say 0.3 because of this decimal point. So 0.3 over 1, and we can say that is 3 over 10. That is the value of x. Now I want value of y. To get the value of y, what I will do, I will substitute this value in equation number 1. So that will be 30 instead of x I will write 3 over 10 minus 30y is equals to 3. Now 0 cancelled. So this will be 9 minus 30y is equals to 3. So that means minus 30y. If I take this 9 this side, that will be minus 9. So this will be minus 6. And if I further simplify this, that will be minus 6 over minus 30, and minus 6 over minus 30 same as 1 over 5. Minus minus will be cancelled. So now we have value of x and value of y. So we supposed in the beginning 1 upon a is equals to x, and here we will substitute this value. So 1 upon a is equals to 3 over 10. I will take this 10 this side, so 10. I will take 3 here. 10 over 3 is equals to a, and that's my answer for a. So what is the speed of a? 10 over 3 km per hour. Now let us talk about these one. So we supposed in the beginning 1 upon b is equals to y. What is the value of y? That is 1 over 5. I will take 5 this side and b this side. So 5 is equals to b. B is equals to 5. So what is the speed of b? That is 5 km per hour, and that's it. We are done. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.